I got this human hair wig from UniWigs. This is like the 613 24-inch human hair wig, and I've never really played with a human hair wig before, but this feels exactly like most of my extensions do, so I can just tell it's like, you know, good human hair right off the bat. So I am going to try this on and see sort of where I want it on my head. Let's just try this wig on. Okay, so here it is for the most part. Obviously I'll put it on much better when I'm like actually wearing it. And I do like this part right here. It looks really natural, and I do like when I do like a middle part to do it just like barely off center. So I think this will work. This is so much nicer than dealing with like a synthetic wig, because I feel like I tangle synthetic wigs in like 2 seconds, but these ones are just like